And guess what? EHANG just broke my level. Like I told you in the video before, watch out, guys. It's actually we doing double bottom to confirm our support. What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel, The Boss Trader. As I told you guys, please, before we go to the chart, like, comment, and subscribe, and so you never actually miss any from my update, from the future updates. And as I always said, no editing, no PS, raw, straight to the information. So let's go to the chart and see what's going on. So EHANG yesterday, it did, like I told you guys, this triangle, if we actually break from this level, look with me, guys, this is crazy. This level, it I told you it's held, and we tested it twice. We tested here, we got rejection. We tested here, we got rejection. And then, and let me close. We got rejection here on my line here, and we get big rejection here. And guess what happened? Then, boom, we got really bounced down at my and exactly this level. Let me actually clarify to see clearly. Look with me, guys. The price, when it's actually touched, we got a big candle for our candle to actually go really down. And as I told you guys, we touched the exponential moving average. We touched it here before. We got bounce back hard here. Then we touched it twice yesterday. So this is indicator, actually there's a big selling pressure actually, and we see that we don't have a wick, so this is not a good indicator. So we have to watch out, because we still holding the support level, as I told you guys, around 41 exactly, and my support level actually at 40, but we bounce from exponential moving average, 200 exponential moving average. Now we have to look out today, because if we actually broke from this level here at 39, this is a big indicator that we actually, there is a big chance if we go below the 38, because this level is really important, and we have a candle, 4-hour candle, not 1-hour candle, 4-hour candle, because it's give us more, there's no noise in the big chart. There is no noise in the chart, because in 1 hour you get a fake out and you get maybe a candle down, but when you go back in a big picture and a big chart, you're gonna see this noise clarify. So always we go to like the bigger picture, so actually have more clear data. So if we actually go below the 38 and we have a candle here, there's a big chance we going actually to 28, 30, around 30 at this level. We gotta test this level again. If we actually go below the exponential moving average, this is not a good indicator. This is a sign of weakness. So now, because we got rejection twice here on my line, as I told you, this guys, when we have this triangle, always the price jump either up or down. And the more we actually test here, we test here twice, here we test twice, but the seller won in this time, and now we test the support level at 40. So like I said, guys, never be FOMOing if you're actually investing. Be careful at this price at 29, at 29 or 30 dollars, and you could actually buy even more at the cheapest price. But as we said, we're still holding the support. We're still seeing some kind of the price actually holding. So we'll see if we actually get the bounce back from this level, and we have to bounce back then if we actually have a momentum and volume to support us. we have to see this scenario plays out. We have to see a bounce back from the exponential moving average here, and we don't see a candle close here, but we're gonna see bounce back, and we're gonna see a test for this level, because we test it again and again. We have to actually go, and again we have to test this level, guys. This is really important level. If we actually bounce back from here, if we need it, to clarify that we actually changing in our trend, the most important thing, we actually have to clear this level. This level really important, guys, at 53, at 53.40, $54, we have to break this resistance in order to actually change our trend, because now it's still downtrending, and the volume, if you see here, we doing lower low. You see, we got almost at 81, then we actually get down at 40, and then at 55 we doing like higher low and lower low. This is indicating for a bit of weakness. That's why we go and do double bottom. So guys, if you like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will do update daily, so hit the notification bell so you never miss any from my future videos. And as I said, always no editing, raw, straight to the point, no BS in my channel. So we'll do an update after the market close, so stay tuned and see you in the next video.